Ano ni-decide ka nga mudagan isip mo sa ka-gobernador na wala man kay background no sa politics or extensive public management position?
Why not? Si Lito Osmeña bitaw, when he became governor, wala man siya a government position. And yet, he became one of the best governors of the province of Cebu. In my case, no, tulo ka rason nga no nga nidagan ko. Primero, tungod sa akong foundation, which I have been serving the province of Cebu for 10 years now, no, I've seen the faces of poverty. Nakita na ko ang kalisod sa katawhan gyud. And also hunger, no, as an effect of poverty. Usag na sa nakadasig nako nga mudagan. Ang ikaduha, kay I have been a victim of political persecution. Gikiha ko together with my friend, Dr. Rowena Borden, last year pa. And karon nanasay kasulain against nako and just vexation. So, you know, if they can do this to someone who has been serving the community, there is no reason they do this to anybody else on the street. So, usag yun na karason nga ako ginagibarugan ug akong gipakita nila nga ang tao ilang gidaog-daog pwede mudagan against nila. And of course, another thing is I have been asked by a political party, which is PDP Laban, to run as a gubernatorial candidate for Cebu Province. No, I went through the process, and so usa sa nakarason nga nung nidagan ko kay gipili ko sa partido nga mudagan.